My name is Jason Mathers. I'm the owner and president of Monarch Landscape Management in Houston. We've been in business for over 20 years. We're comprised of 160 professionals, and we primarily serve the commercial landscape space. We started with SmartLink in 2017, shortly after Hurricane Harvey hit Houston. We saw a need for our clients to fill a gap in irrigation technology that was lacking. The platforms enable us to basically streamline the inspection process, going from paper to a tablet-based system that has enabled us to include photos and before and after photos as needed, where that there's more transparency and the client then gains a level, obviously, of trust from that.
The app is easy to use. You can use it on your tablet or on your phone. We've been able to train all teammates on it with really short learning curve periods. So one of the big benefits of the Weathermatic platform is the transparency throughout the inspections. You're able to document everything on each inspection on the app, and you can include photos. We're able to send that to our customers, and they understand where all the issues are occurring. And it also helps our team understand what's happening, and it helps the repair crew know exactly where the issues are by referring to the photos.
Something that we don't think about is the number of inspections that we do in a given year and or the type of changes that we make. What the platforms enable us to do is to have some soft tracking that occurs behind the scenes. The reality is that irrigation is not insulated from change, and technology is the biggest change impacting all of our lives today. We have found the SmartLink inspection app has enabled us to better allocate our resources in this tight labor market. We've gone from using 2 irrigators during the inspection process. We're now down to 1 consistently throughout our inspection teams, and that's enabled us to take other skilled irrigators and reallocate them to more value-added services on repairs for our clients' landscape improvements.